Hey guys, we're going to talk briefly about the Honor Magic V5, which I have right here. Honor UK gladly sent me this about a week ago. I can't talk too much about this in terms of performance. I can't show you camera samples like photos or videos. I can't talk about battery life, but I can just a general sort of overview of the phone itself. And as you know now, the thinnest foldable smartphone on the market. Oh, that's in focus. It's so hard to focus. You're not going to do it for me, are you? I'll add this in. Yeah, so folded out, it is 4.1 millimeters thick. Or should we say 4.1 millimeters thin? We should be saying that. And it's basically, the thing that's holding it back is the USB Type-C port there at the bottom. If we went fully wireless, then perhaps we could shave a little bit more off that to make it even thinner. And then when it's fully folded, we're at 8.8. Now this is my S24 Ultra. I think you can see that. I looked a bit cack-handed doing that. Very similar. So the outer screen is 6.43 inches. I mean, I have large hands. You can see I've got large hands. I'm on an ultra wide camera here, so things might look extra weird in the corners. But I have large hands and it's no problem for me at all using it in that respect. And when it's fully folded out, whoops, we have an 8-inch display, or 7.95 inches. I'm just going to round it up. I like rounding things up. 8 inches, it's bigger. Lovely screen. And the fold in the middle, although you can, if you run your finger over it, you can feel it. I've seen worse. You can obviously see it you can see it in different angles when the light hits it differently. Yeah, like you can see it there a lot. And you get a nice, superb full screen experience playing the Asphalt game. Beautiful. And if you don't want it on there, you can just switch it and do it on the cover screen instead. And in terms of specs, 16 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of internal storage. It's also powered by the flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite. This is a flagship foldable phone, no doubt about it. The thinnest in the world, an absolute beautiful piece of machinery, fantastic piece of tech. Yeah, it really is. We have an impressive camera system, some impressive camera specs on show. It can shoot up to 4K 60. We have a 50 megapixel wide sensor, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and a 64 megapixel periscope telephoto with 3 times optical zoom. For your selfie camera, we have 20 megapixels and we can shoot at 4K 30. So we have a silicon carbon battery in this foldable. Now there's a Chinese version and there's an international global version. This is the global version, so battery size differs. This is 5,820 milliamps. So I still think a fairly large battery for a phone, a foldable phone that's that thin. So I'm actually just looking on a website now. Obviously this is I'd say this is Dawn Gold. So other colors are gonna be black, ivory white, Dawn Gold, and reddish brown. Interesting. And rumored pricing is 1,070 euros, which I think is a fantastic price. I really do. If that is going to be the price, obviously it'll be different, slightly different in pound sterling, but hey ho, there you go. So I think that's pretty much all I can talk about, guys, on this foldable phone. It's an absolutely beautiful one, isn't it? Absolutely stunning. Oh yeah, it is water and dust resistance, IP58 and IP59. And if you have a stylus, will my S Pen work? Let's have a look at this. Will the S Pen work? I don't know if I should tell you if it works or not. I don't know if it does. Am I allowed to tell you whether it works or not? I don't know. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. A little chat about this beautiful foldable device. Any questions? Pop them in the comments down below. Probably won't be able to answer many of them. Wait for that bus to drive by. You might not be able to hear it, I don't know. Oh, that's better. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.